Thursday morning. Tiny Truck's in jail. The trailer he supervises is getting brakes and tires and stuff, so my tractor's over there. Push and pulls here, we're lugging chains around, he's loading up the trailer here. This is going to be his truck. It's a one I trained out when I started, but he'll be pulling it around. No dovetail on the back of this one, it folds under. So, but anyway, we're throwing chains in. We're getting ready to go off to Broomfield to pick up a 4-piece and then move the 4-piece a couple miles down the road.